In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import emails to Substack. First, open your browser and head to the Substack website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually at the top right. Click it, then type in your email address. Substack may send you a quick sign-in link or prompt you to continue in your browser. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login. After you're signed in, you should land on your dashboard. If you don't see it right away, use the site's menu to navigate to Dashboard. This is your home base where you manage posts, subscribers, and settings. From the dashboard, open Settings. You'll typically find this in the left-hand navigation or within your site's menu. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down to the bottom. That's where you'll find the Import Email section. It can be a little easy to miss, so keep scrolling until you see the option to add subscribers. Here, you have two ways to add people. If you only have a few addresses, you can add them manually by typing them into the field provided. This is perfect for a small handful of subscribers you already have permission to email. Enter the addresses as prompted, then follow the confirmation steps Substack provides. If you're moving a larger list, choose the File Import option. Substack accepts .csv, XLSX, and .oeds files. A quick tip before you upload: make sure your spreadsheet has a clean column for email addresses and, if you have them, separate columns for first name and last name. Keep the first row as headers, remove duplicates, and double-check that every address is valid. Most importantly, only import contacts who have explicitly agreed to receive your newsletter. This keeps your account in good standing and ensures your emails land where they should. When your file is ready, upload it and follow the prompts. Substack will guide you through confirming the fields and finishing the import. If anything looks off, like a column not recognized as emails, cancel, fix your file, and try again. That small extra step can save you time later. Once your emails are added, you're all set. Your new subscribers will be part of your audience going forward. Consider sending a short welcome post or note so they know they're in the right place and what to expect next. And if you ever need to add more people, just return to Settings and revisit the Import Email section at the bottom. That's it. Quick, clear, and effective. Follow these steps and you'll have your subscribers imported to Substack in no time.